So it's like they're coming back. They know what they want, who they want, but they're still kind of just taking their time because they're not confident if you're going to accept this offer. See, they don't know if they can have a happy home with you. But even with the Four of Wands and land on top of the High Priestess, so there's 11, 11, 11. So it's like, I feel like angels are stepping in, but I'm telling you, this person wasn't listening. Now they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have this life with you that they wanted. See, they're losing hope. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aquarius. Clarify? Yeah, somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio, but somebody feels like they put an end to the situation between the two of you because of the bad choices that they made. And they're not happy about this at all. Okay? Yep, they've been watching you. They've been keeping an eye on you because, see, they know that they stabbed you in the back, and they know that they want to come back and speak their truth to you because they're hoping that they can have a new opportunity. See, they're wanting to take a leap, but I do feel like they're talking to somebody, trying to get advice because, see, they can't decide. Like, should I say something to him or her now? Should I wait? What if he or she is still mad at me? See, they're dragging their feet. This is why they're dragging their feet, because they're afraid that they're not going to have that opportunity with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but it's like they didn't balance things out with you, and it's like you're just moving on. It's just the energy I'm picking up, you're moving on, and they know it because, see, they can't stop thinking about the past, everything that they put you through. This person was very inconsistent. They could have been being a player, running in and out of your life, and see that in the past they were moving very slow with you. Now, because they're afraid that they basically lost you, they're getting ready to pick up the pace, and they're getting ready to get themselves out of a third-party situation. But see, they're back and forth with the Ace of Cups. I'm telling you, whoever this is that I'm picking up on, they're like, I don't know if he or she's going to take this offer. But it's the offer that you want. But they know in the past they didn't do right by you. See? They want to ask you out, but they didn't do right by you because they put you in that third-party situation. See, I have 2 3s here. So this is why, again, it's like I keep repeating myself, but it's the same thing over and over. This person feels like you're not going to give them a new opportunity. And see, now they're sad because they want to give you this offer that you deserve, but they're holding on to everything that they did in the past. You know, there's a lot of regret. There's a lot of sadness here. Tell me more. Because they want a new beginning with you, and they're coming out of this energy of, yeah, they had you waiting. You know, they're definitely getting ready to make a move because, see, they want to start over and build with you, Aries. Look at that. They want things to improve with you, and they're going to put in the work. They're going to work hard. See? They're coming back. This person's making a decision. They're coming out of feeling frustrated that they lost you for good, okay? Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries, but they know that they didn't bring stability into the situation, and it's like they look at you as someone who's very fiery, you're very passionate, you're a go-getter, you know, and they messed up. And see, this is why they're isolating themselves. I'm going to be honest, just the more I keep looking at the Queen of Wands, this person feels like you're going to fire off on them. Like, you're going to go off on them. And this is why they're still kind of, I ain't going to lie, they're kind of hiding from you a little bit. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Why? These slick. Y'all, I just got some new cards, so these cards are like really, really slick, so I apologize. But the way that card came out, it was a back and forth energy. So it's like this person, they want things to improve with you, but they're afraid that it may not happen. Could be dealing with a Pisces. But this person may want to speak their truth to you, but they just don't have the strength to do it just yet. Could be dealing with a Leo. Okay. See, I told you, this person wants to balance things out. Oh my gosh, look at that. Do y'all see these 2 men here? There are 2 men. So, there's the devil. Yeah, okay. Let me tell y'all something. They want to make it right, but I've been seeing this across the board. It could be 2 men, but for some of you guys, it could be 2 women. So, either Aries, you were dealing with someone that was juggling 2 people, or cross-watcher, you were dealing with an Aries that's juggling 2 people. But regardless, there are 2 different people here. So if this person, they're thinking in their head, I'm going to come back, I'm going to make it right with the person that I messed up, I did wrong by. They're like, okay, there's somebody else that they're dealing with now. So now I'm afraid that because I, left myself in this bad situation, I had codependent behaviors, I lost him or her to this other person. See? Yeah, I want things to improve, but now now it's a third party because they really got to put in the work to win you back. See, now they're feeling like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you, and they don't have a peace of mind about it. But look, they got to get out this energy of not saying anything. They have to get out this energy of feeling stuck, see, in this codependent situation. They have to let go of these codependent behaviors because, see, this person is afraid and now your guard is up. You're going to go off on them if they try to come back. And they don't know what to do. They don't know how to fix this. You know, they're undecided. You know, because they're like, if I speak my truth to him or her, he or she's going to shut me down. They're going to shut me down. They don't want to be with me. And see, they're like, okay, I still have to speak up. I need to tell them how I'm feeling. Could be dealing with a Libra. But see, Ace of Pentacles, they're coming back to give you the offer that you deserve, Aries. But it's like they're back and forth. They don't want you to walk away, but they feel like you are. They want to have a victory with you, but they're afraid that they may not. Okay? Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but the fact that jumped on top of Justice reverse, kind of in between Justice and Ace of Pentacles, somebody could be in some type of like long-term commitment or marriage, and somebody's trying to get out of it, and maybe that could be them knowing that they have to give money to this person. So if it's not like a commitment marriage, could be like a legal situation that they're going to have to pay out of. There's some type of contract for some of you. But this person definitely wants to marry you. They definitely want to turn things around. They want to be with you, and they got to get out of their head. They got to get out of their head in order to come towards you. But see, this person, they're not coming just yet because they're still going through lessons. Tell me more. Yeah, they're moving slow. Somebody's in some type of like contract, marriage. There's something going on here. See? But they're going to come out of like not being able to sleep, not being focused or worried. But see, there's the devil. It's like it's jumping over here. I'm telling you, this person feels stuck in something that they got themselves into. And that's why there's fear. Tell me more. See how it keeps jumping on top of the heart? Yeah, this person was being immature and childish, and they can't give you this offer just yet. Tell me more. Yep. They know that they're going to take a financial loss, but they're trying to get something under control first. Somebody could have been dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but right now they're not moving forward just yet. They're trying to manifest being with you, but at the end of the day, it's like they're coming out of being frustrated, but the way the Five of Pentacles came out, it's like they left you out in the cold. You know, they messed up with you, and yes, they want to make it right, but see, in order to balance things out, they're giving to someone else, and this is the problem. I told you, there's a situation going on with your person. See, somebody could be trying to get out of a family situation. For some of you, they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a family with you, because see, look at that. The Lovers came out reversed. It's like they didn't bring balance to your situation at all. You could have been dealing with a Gemini, but yeah, they were giving to someone else or other people, and this is the problem. Okay, so let's see. Alright, let's get y'all some advice. Let's see. Okay, Spirit. So Spirit wants you to heal, and they want you to have hope. Let's see. Yeah, because you guys are not listening to your intuition. Tell me more. Oh, see, the Hierophant tried to jump out. Somebody must be dealing with a Taurus. Let's see. Okay, the fact that even the Hierophant came out, I feel like they're saying you're not listening to your intuition because you know that there's a commitment coming in for you, whether it's with this person from the past and or someone brand spanking new. But it's like things have been moving really slow. But see, you've been healing. That's why I saw the star. I told you, you guys have been like just doing you, healing, moving forward, because you had to make a decision to cut this person off or cut this person out of your life because they were taking too long to make a decision. But see, now that you basically, why am I having a hard time getting this out? Lord. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Now that you made the decision to cut this person out of your life, and you're like, you know what? I had to leave it alone. I had to heal in order for me to move forward. Something's getting ready to take place really fast for you. See? Because you freed yourself. I told you. You let go of feeling frustrated. But see, you're looking at this person like, I don't see things working out. I don't see things turning around. But that was your lesson. I told you, you were supposed to stand up for yourself and put your foot down and say enough is enough. See, you had to make a decision based off of what took place in the past. I told you, you got out of being frustrated by you putting your foot down, letting this person go. You're like, you know what? At one point, I felt like I was going to lose them if I stood up for myself. Now I don't feel that way. Now I put my foot down with them. I stood up for myself. I'm confident in myself, and I'm moving on. And it's like, if it's meant to happen, it's going to happen, but I'm ready for the next person to come in. See, look at that. You realize this person kept breaking your heart, putting you in some type of third-party situation, and you were the one doing all the work. You're tired of that. You're like, you know what? There was no balance here. See, you realize the truth. But Two of Cups. Maybe this is saying you realize the truth that this person was committed to someone else, or they were in some type of commitment. But regardless, I'm seeing something coming around for you. See, you just had to take a leap. But you were in your head. It bothered you doing this. But see, there's communication coming in. Oh, Aries. You see what I'm saying? Oh my God. Look. Aries. Oh my God. So listen, there's an offer coming in, okay? Important document or contract about marriage, a commitment. I feel like somebody's going to rush in, give you an offer. But see, the thing is, here you are, literally twice. You're like, you know what, I don't know. Like, yeah, you're giving me a stable offer of a commitment, but I'm not positive about it because of how many times, you know, we've done this. I've heard you say this before. What is it this time that's going to make a difference? Because this is you in your head. Somebody's getting ready to take a leap to come towards you to speak their truth because they want to be with you. They're going to come in fast. But now you got to make a decision. But see, I told you you're having a hard time because you're looking at this person like they're sneaky. Ooh, Aries. Drop me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for any of you. I hope you guys enjoyed your reading. Right now, I'm not accepting any new personal readings. I have to go through the request from May 1st, and then I promise I will open it back up once I'm caught up. But yes, please leave me some comments. This is interesting because you know what? Somebody's definitely dealing with a Taurus.